storm in Sama. I had already told you that way in the previous class, as I have already given the introduction of it, right? And we were just doing the, like, we were discussing the explanation of it, right? So again today I will be discussing the difficult word of this with you, right? And then I will be explaining the topic to you. Okay. So we'll be reading first, like where we were. Can you recap the story?
When coconut fall on.
Yes, when author is describing through the character Prashant, right? Through the Prashant, he is describing here that the Prashant was surviving. How anyhow he was surviving. Where he was that time? During the cyclone.
Friend home.
Where?
His friend
Headquarter of Sama, the town of. It's right, like he was living in a village of this block, right? Which block? Sama. And where this block is situated? In Jagatsinghpur state. And where this state is situated? In Odisha. Very good answer. Okay, Odisha is a coastal state. Okay, and where? In district Jagatsinghpur, there is a block that is Sama. And this is the incident of this place, Sama. There is a character that is Prashant. He is describing this author. With the help of Prashant, he is describing the what was there? What was the event there? A storm. Okay, a storm. Rather in the storm means a cyclone was there, right? And it was with a high speed, so it destroyed everything. A great destruction was there. Right, so this time Prashant was in a headquarters of Sama in town, where? At his friend's home, right? But his friend's home was also, means many buildings were washed away with the flood, with the water, speed water of this cyclone, right? So his friend's house was a pakka house, that is why the water was filled up there. So they were surviving at the roof of that house. Means they took this shelter at the roof of this house. And that one thing was very fortunate for them, that was in this bad condition, that was the tree of coconut fell down on their roof, so they were taking food. Means they were just surviving their lives because of that. Means those coconut they were eating in this bad condition, right? After that, this time, now we will continue from there. So I will be reading this, I will be discussing the difficult word with you, okay, and I will be also explaining you what we are reading in this, means what happens next with him. So for the next 2 days, Prashant said huddle, means do you know huddle? Huddle, together in a group, okay, like the family members of his friends and Prashant were sitting on the roof, they took the shelter at the roof. Right, so this time they were just sitting there and open on the rooftop, and they froze in the cold and intense rain, because the rain was with full speed, so the weather was also cold there. So in the open, like the open area was there, so they froze in the cold and instant rain. The rain water washed away Prashant's tears. Why the author is saying here that the rain water washed away the Prashant's tears? As Prashant was full of sadness, क्योंकि प्रशांत यहाँ पर बहुत दुखी था, because he has already lost his mother before 7 years, right? So this time he was thinking about his family member, that if he is here, so what will means like ऐसा ना हो कि उसने कहीं अपने parents को खो दिया हो during this cyclone, means where will be his family members. So he was thinking about them, those people, and he was in a great grief, means बहुत ज़्यादा दुख से वो भरा हुआ होता है इस टाइम पे, right? So this time author is saying that जो बारिश का पानी उसने उसके आंसुओं को धुल डाला, means this time he was just in a deep thought about his family members. He was thinking about those people. So the only thought that flashed means just come into his mind, that was through his mind was whether his family had survived in Fury. Fury means in this danger, right, to the super cyclone. So was he to be where once later, which seemed to Prashant like 2 years, the rain ceased. 2 years means these 2 days. As Prashant was thinking, these 2 days like 2 years. ऐसा होता है ना कि जब कोई बैड कंडीशन या बहुत ज्यादा लाइक टफ टाइम आपके सामने आता है, सो एक एक मिनट आपको बड़े लंबा लगता है, मीन्स बहुत बड़ा टाइम लगता है, राइट. सो दिस टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ दिस साइक्लोन पीरियड, this 2 days were looking to Prashant like he was thinking those days like the 2 years. Okay, so this time he just took a step. What was it? 2 days later, 2 दिन के बाद क्या होता है? Which seemed to Prashant like 2 years. The rain ceased. Ceased means stopped. Okay, stopped. The rain ceased and the rain water slowly began to recede. Recede means reduce, कम होना. और जो बारिश का पानी भी है वो भी थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होने लगता है. Then Prashant was determined to seek out. To seek out means to find out. Now he has determined and decided to find out his family members now, right? Because he has decided to go from this place to his village to find out his family members, right? As Prashant, the situation was still dangerous, so Prashant's friend and his parents denied to him, okay, and requested him not to go out from this place, but he can't stay any longer on this place because this time it was in his mind that without the delay he has to go from this place and he has to find out his family members, right? Yes. He equipped himself with a long sturdy stick. Sturdy में एक मतलब होता है thick और long, एक लंबी और मोटी सी लकड़ी, उसमें एक स्टिक उसने ले लिया, जैसे डंडा हम बोल देते हैं, राइट, फॉर द सपोर्ट, लाइक ही कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम इट्स इन दिस वे, लाइक ही वाज गोइंग टू हिज विलेज. देन स्टार्टेड ऑन हिज 18 किलोमीटर एक्सपेडिशन. एक्सपेडिशन मींस जर्नी. जो ये 18 किलोमीटर का सफर होता है, 18 किलोमीटर जर्नी ही हैज स्टार्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट स्टिक. Back to his village. Through the swollen flood water, means as water was filled there, and it was also flowing with this very speed. Okay, extremely speed was there with it. It was a journey he would never forget. He constantly had to use a stick to locate the road. Means he was getting his way with the help of that stick. Okay, to determine where the water was most shallow. Where the water was most shallow. Shallow means, what does it mean by shallow? Not deep. Means wherever the water was not deep, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी, जहाँ पे पानी कम उसको लगता था, right? That time he was taking the help of that stick, okay, to get his way, right? But at places it was waist deep and progress was slow. कई बार ऐसा होता था, wherever the water is with the high speed and up to his waist, so he has to move slow. Means उसका जो रास्ता है उसको बहुत स्लो हो जाती थी उसकी स्पीड चलने की, राइट? क्यों? पानी के ज्यादा बहाव की वजह से या बहुत ज्यादा होने की वजह से. So at several points he lost the road and had to swim. कई जगह पर तो ऐसा हो रहा था that he was not getting any road, any way, right? So that place he has to pass from this just only taking a swim. उसको तैर कर ही कुछ प्लेसेस को आगे क्रॉस करना पड़ा. कहीं पर ऐसा हो रहा था ना कि उसको रोड ही नहीं मिल रही थी, लाइक विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टिक ही वाज गेटिंग रोड एंड वे टू मूव टू वॉक, राइट? बट एट द फ्यू प्लेसेस ही वाज नॉट गेटिंग एनी रोड, सो दैट इज व्हाई ही वाज जस्ट टेकिंग अ स्विम देयर. वो तैर करके ही जा रहा था वहां पर. ही वाज रिलीव्ड टू फाइंड टू फ्रेंड्स एंड ही गॉट अ रिलैक्सेशन व्हेन ही सॉ two friends of his uncle. They were also going to his village, so they decided this time move together to their for this journey. उस जर्नी पर दोनों ने सोचा कि अब वो एक साथ जाएंगे, that will be better for them if there will be any danger, so they can help to each other, right? As they wedded means swam, तैरना. As they waded through the waters, the scenes they witnessed grew more and more macabre. Macabre means dangerous, horrible. जैसे जैसे उन्होंने आगे चलना शुरू किया, as they moved through the water, वो जैसे waded किया, तैरे वो थोड़ा आगे गए, so it was really difficult to take away from this. Why? Because it was a very horrible scene in front of them. What was horrible in front of them? Like they had to push away many human bodies, like dead bodies, carcasses of animals like goat, cows, and the other like dogs. Okay, ऐसी dead bodies को हटा करके उनको रास्ता बनाना पड़ रहा था for going to their village. And there were the dead bodies of man, women, children. So that was a really very horrible scene in front of them. So by watching all those things in every village, and they passed, they could barely see a house standing. मुश्किल से ही कोई घर उनको खड़ा हुआ दिखता था. Otherwise, all the houses were washed away with the water of flood. This cyclone. Okay, and Prashant now wept out loud. Means he has cried out. उसने रोना शुरू कर दिया. Why? Because this time he has lost the hope that he will be getting his family member. क्योंकि उस टाइम उसे लग रहा था कि शायद उसे मुश्किल से उसके पेरेंट्स या जो फैमिली मेंबर है वो मिल पाएंगे. Right? As Prashant now wept out loud and long, he was sure that his family couldn't have survived this catastrophe. Catastrophe means catastrophe, disaster. Okay, कि ये जो इतना एक भयंकर कैलामिटी है, इसमें मुश्किल से उसकी फैमिली शायद सरवाइव कर पाएगी. Is it clear to you all? Are you getting what we are discussing here? Okay. Eventually Prashant reached his village. कैसे भी करके मतलब इस इतनी डेंजरस कंडीशंस के अंदर से निकल करके और this watching these type of distraction, he just reached his village. वो किसी तरह से अपने घर को गाँव को पहुंच गया. But what does he see there? That where there his home was, where there his home stood, there were only remnants. Remnants means remnants, just remaining part of something, or remaining quantity of something. Like टूटी फूटी बिल्डिंग्स बस उसको वहां पे दिख रही थी जहां पर कभी उसका घर हुआ करता था. Of its roof, और वो भी उन टूटी फूटी बिल्डिंग्स की भी केवल छत उसको दिख रही थी जो कि पूरी तरीके से इस टाइम वॉस्ट हो चुकी हैं. Like some of their belongings were all mangled and twisted in the branches of trees just visible above the dark waters. तो dark waters के ऊपर कुछ branches दिख रही थी. तो some of the people that he know like belongings जो कुछ दूर दूर के relatives होते हैं या जान पहचान होती है जिनसे, just he observed them by surviving their lives, just catching a branch of tree. कुछ पेड़ों की कहीं branch पकड़ लेके किसी तरह से वो अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश करते हुए उसको दिख रहे थे. But this time it was in his mind that he anyhow he has to find out his family member, because he was not watching any family member, and at the place of his house nobody was there. Means everything was washed away there, right? So he decided to go a Red Cross shelter. What is Red Cross shelter here? Red Cross shelter एक charity shelter है. Okay, जैसे कुछ places पर बनवा दिए जाते हैं कुछ shelters, means dispensary, और जब कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम या कोई भी लाइक इस टाइप के इंसिडेंट होते हैं तो उसको हेल्प दी जा सके उन लोगों को. ओके, सो ही डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द रेड क्रॉस शेल्टर टू लुक फॉर हिज फैमिली. राइट, among the first people, means when he visited this place and he went there, so what does he see there? He saw in a crowd was his maternal grandmother at the first. Who was there?
Maternal grandmother.
Maternal grand. Do you know maternal grandmother?
Nani.
Very good answer. Your mother's mother, right? Nani ma. So first he found her. Then what was there? Weak with hunger. Like she has also become weak with hunger, because for these 4 days, this time 3 days have passed away. So she also didn't take anything to eat, right? So she has become weak with hunger, and she rushed to him, her hands outstretched, her eyes brimming means eyes were full of tears. जब कोई अपना मिल जाता है ना किसी मुसीबत के टाइम में, तो आंखों में स्वाभाविकली मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि हम बहुत खुश भी होते हैं और बहुत दुखी भी होते हैं, because condition was bad and she was finally happy to see someone of her family. कोई तो उसको उसकी फैमिली का दिखा, राइट. सो दिस टाइम बोथ हैड बिकम एंड लॉन्ग इवन इनफ फॉर डैड. मतलब इतनी सारी डेड बॉडीज के बीच में एक पर्सन अपनी फैमिली का जो अलाइव उसको मिला, दैट वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन. सो क्विकली वर्ड स्प्रेड एंड हिज एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली गैदर्ड. जैसे ही सबको सुनने में आया कि लाइक ही हैज कम बैक फ्रॉम द सिटी टाउन टू हिज होम. Okay, so his another family member, they were just like in another places, so they also gathered there, like his brother, sister, uncle, aunt, all have gathered there. And battered group means all were surviving in this bad condition anyhow, right? So this time this was a really very desperate कंडीशन. सो सबके सब जितने भी उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स थे सब एक जगह इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं और वो किसी तरह मतलब बहुत खुश होते हैं एक दूसरे को देख करके, right? And they were also crying. By the next morning, as he took in the desperate situation in the shelter, he decided to get a trip over himself. He sensed a deathly grief settling upon the 2,500 stone crowd in the shelter. Now, what does he decide this time? As he took in the desperate situation, means this time he decided to do something. एक होता है ना कि अपने आप को grip over himself, अपनी कमर कसे ना. means if nobody is doing something means anything else for them, so these people are surviving in these difficulties, so finally I have to do something for them. Okay, and I have to try to do something. मुझे कुछ तो करना ही होगा. So he decided this time. What does he decide? Because he sensed this time sense means होता है एक तरीके से, और grip means भी होता है grip over himself, अंदाजा लगा लेना, right? उसे अंदाजा हो जाता है इस बात का. What? He took in means assess something. अब वो assess करता है, क्या अंदाजा लगाता है? That in this shelter means as everybody is settling like a deathly grief. Deathly grief means extremely grief. Everyone was having extreme grief this time, extreme sadness. हर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी था उस प्लेस पर, क्योंकि सबसे कोई ना कोई खो चुका था. Even they were not getting any their family member, their whole family, they were not getting with them, right? So everyone was there in a great grief, sadness. So he just started doing, means like 86 lives were lost in the village. क्यों था इतना बड़ा एक्सट्रीम ग्रीफ यहाँ पर? क्योंकि कम से कम 86 लाइव्स वर लॉस्ट इन द विलेज. इतने लोग मर चुके थे उसी विलेज में. और विलेज तो बहुत छोटे से होता है, मतलब इतने बड़े नहीं होते हैं कि आप किसी से को जान ना सको. वहां पर सभी एक दूसरे को कहीं ना कहीं रिलेट करते हैं, राइट? इन विलेजेस, इजंट इट? सो इतने लोग यहाँ पर मर चुके थे. एंड ऑल द 96 हाउसेज हैड बीन वॉश्ड अवे. 96 हाउसेज had been washed away, वो जो कि वाटर के साथ स्टक हो चुके थे, बह चुके थे, राइट? सो इट वाज देयर 4th डे एट द शेल्टर, और ये चौथा दिन था उनका. मींस दिस वाज द 4th डे. सो far they had survived on green coconuts. In last 3 days they were surviving by eating just only coconuts, but this time these were not enough to survive more, right? अब ये वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थे और इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते थे वो कंप्लीट उनकी लाइक स्टार्वेशन को. सो far they had survived on green coconuts, but there were too few to go around such a tumult of people. Tumult means uproar of a disorderly crowd force. क्योंकि वो जो छोटी सी बिल्डिंग है, चैरिटेबल जो हाउस है, that was filled with the people. जो पूरे विलेज के तरीके से लोग थे वो सब वहीं पर थे. So there was a great uproar of those people and this was a disordering. Disordering क्या होता है? जब बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो जाती है और वहाँ से कोई भी सब मतलब एक तरीके से डिसबैलेंस हो जाता है, लोग एक दूसरे पर धक्का मुक्की जैसे माहौल बन जाता है. Like they were not getting any space, they were not getting anything to eat. Like so this was a difficult condition for them to survive in this condition. और जब इंसान भूखा होता है तो वो अपना एक तरीके से ना होता है सेंस भी खो देता है, right? So this time Prashant, all of 19 years. How much old is Prashant? 19. So he is a very young boy, right? बहुत ज़्यादा young boy had decided to step in as leader of his village. As he found first that nobody is tried to lead his village members to survive in this bad condition. कि कोई भी ऐसा बंदा नहीं है जो बाहर निकल के आए और इस कंडीशन में लीड करे. So he decided to lead the people of village to survive in this bad condition. Can you do, ma'am please pause कर लीजिए मिनट के लिए. Can you, okay, and you also have to imagine that if you will be at the place of Prashant, so how, what you can do? Can you give your opinion to me? If you will, अगर आप वहाँ पर होते तो आप क्या करते? One by one you can answer me. Yes, Rubina. If you are in that condition, you are in the place of Prashant, so what will you do? Like Prashant is taking a step to lead his village members to survive from this bad condition. Yes.
My definitely do something to make them like make them happy and
Like in what condition or what step you can take. So we'll also understand with the help of this study of this chapter. Okay, like how Prashant settled this bad condition into the good way, right? Or good condition. Sit down, beta. Yes. So this time Prashant, all of 19 years, like he was not a very elder one. He was a young boy of 19 years. Okay, decided to step in as leader of his village. So if no one else did, क्योंकि अभी कोई और रेडी नहीं था ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए, so he organized a group of youth like a volunteer. उसने क्या किया, एक यूथ के ग्रुप को इकट्ठा किया, कुछ लोगों को, एंड एल्डर टू जॉइनली प्रेशराइज द मर्चेंट वंस अगेन, मर्चेंट हु गिव्स देम लाइक मटेरियल, रॉ मटेरियल ऑफ फूड. जैसे होता है ना राशन, जहाँ से आता है राशन देता है जो, यस, राइस एंड अदर थिंग्स, अदर लाइक जो भी चीजें आप लोग लेते हैं वहां से, राशन जो मिलता है मर्चेंट से. So when the group of people, young and the old elder one, if they will push him, right, they will force him to give, so definitely he will give. And this idea also get a result. इस idea से उनको एक result भी मिलता है. Means finally he has ready to give. Okay. And this time the delegation succeed and return triumphantly. Triumphantly means victoriously. मतलब फाइनली उनको इस बात के इसका रिजल्ट निकल करके आया और उसके पास जो भी था राशन उसने सब कुछ उनको प्रोवाइड कराया. सो इन वेडिंग थ्रू द रिसेडिंग वाटर्स, जैसे जैसे पानी कम हो रहा था, विद फूड फॉर एंटायर शेल्टर, मतलब उनके घरों से जैसे जैसे पानी कम होता जा रहा था, सो नो वन केयर दैट द राइस वाज ऑलरेडी रॉटिंग. रॉटिंग मीन्स क्या है? व्हाट डज मीन बाय रॉटिंग? यहाँ पर इन लोगों को किसी तरह इतने ज्यादा भूखे थे कि इनको इस बात की भी परवाह नहीं थी कि जो राशन उनको मिला है दैट वाज अ वेरी लाइक लो क्वालिटी. ओके, रॉटिंग मींस गला सड़ा कैसा भी है, इस टाइम उन्हें किसी तरह से अपनी भूख मिटानी थी, isn't it? तो वो ऐसे ही राशन को बना करके खा रहे थे, isn't it? And branches from fallen trees were gathered to light a reluctant and slow fire. Why is the author is saying here reluctant and slow fire? What does mean by reluctant? Reluctant का means क्या होता है? Hesitant. What does mean by reluctant? Hesitant. मतलब जो फायर वो लोग जला रहे थे उन लकड़ियों से, वो कैसी थी? बिल्कुल ऐसे जैसे कि बुझने वाली है. Why? Because these branches have also fallen with the water, so these were not like they were not able to give fire. वो उनको जला नहीं पा रहे थे क्योंकि वो इतनी गीली थी, तो बहुत मुश्किल से उनमें आग, जो भी बहुत धीमी स्लो आंच उन पर मिल रही थी, किसी तरह उसी पर वो अपने राइस बना करके खा रहे थे. मीन्स दे वर सर्वाइविंग इन दिस कंडीशन. क्रिटिकल कंडीशन वाज फ्रंट ऑफ देम. On which to cook rice for the first time in 4 days, the survivors at the cyclone shelter were able to fill their bellies. किसी तरह से इन 4 दिनों में उनको मुश्किल से, कुछ लोग जो 4 दिन से भूखे थे वो अपने bellies में स्टमक को फिल कर पाए. After that his next task was to organize. ये एक टास्क तो उसका रिजल्ट निकल करके आया. First step was done. Okay, they got a victorious result with because of this. The next task was to organize a team of youth volunteers to clean the shelter of filth, urine, vomit, floating carcasses, and to tend on the wounds of fractures of the many who had been injured. अब दूसरा स्टेप क्या था? the cleaning of that place, shelter, right? क्लीनिंग क्यों? क्योंकि अब इतने दिन से वो लोग वहां पर रह रहे थे तो इतना ज्यादा वहाँ वॉमिट और ये सब जो ड्रग्स है मतलब कंडीशन बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल थी, तो वो पूरा का पूरा बहुत ज्यादा गंद हो चुकी थी, वहाँ खराब हो चुका था, उसको क्लीन कराना था। प्लस he also has to mend the fractures of them many who had been injured, उनको भी हेल्प दिलानी थी जो कि बहुत ज्यादा इंजर्ड हो रखे हैं और सर्वाइव कर पा रहे थे किसी तरह, राइट? So on the fifth day, a military helicopter flew over the shelter and dropped some food parcels. Okay, आपने वैसे भी कहीं देखा होगा जब भी कहीं ऐसे फ्लड्स वगैरह आते हैं तो वहां पर कुछ हेल्प्स दी जाती है, राहत दी जाती है, राइट? सो ऐसे ही एक मिलिट्री हेलीकॉप्टर ने एक दिन तो फिफ्थ डे तो उनको वो फूड ऊपर से कुछ पार्सल्स गिराए, बट दीज वर नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर देम बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट डे दैट डिडंट कम बैक, क्योंकि वो एक बार गिरा करके वापस नहीं आया। सो व्हाट दे डिड, उन्होंने उसके लिए क्या किया कि अगर यहाँ से कोई भी ऐसा हेलीकॉप्टर या कुछ ऐसा निकलता है जिसको कोई मैसेज मिल जाए, सो टू गिव अ मैसेज दे डिसाइडेड वन स्टेप दैट वाज द यूथ टास्क फोर्स गैदर्ड एम्प्टी यूटेंसिल्स, खाली बर्तन लेकर के बच्चों को इकट्ठा किया उन्होंने फ्रॉम द शेल्टर, देन दे डिप्यूटेड द चिल्ड्रन टू लाई इन द सैंड, मिट्टी पर लिटा दिया उनको बच्चों को खाली बर्तन अपने पेट पर रख करके, to give a message to those people that these are surviving with the hungerness, so they can provide them something to eat, right? So this condition was giving a message to them, right? And utensils on there, even you can see in this picture, is it clear to you, right? इस तरह से वो बच्चे लेट करके खाली बर्तन अपने पेट पर रख करके वो लेट जाते हैं, that was giving a message to the people like they were passing out from that route helicopter. So like they can give something, and this also worked. This also gave a result to them. That also gave a result to them that they provided the new parcels and also the needs related things that was needed to them. कुछ और भी चीजें जो उनके लिए फिर से उन्होंने देना उनको शुरू कर दिया डे बाय डे, राइट? After that, Prashant found that large number of children had been orphaned. Orphaned means they have lost their parents, like to death, जिनकी parents मर चुके थे, और and also some ladies they have lost their family members, और कुछ ऐसी lady भी थी जो कि इस टाइम अकेले हो चुकी थी because they have lost their family members. So he decided, he brought them together and put up a polythene sheet shelter for them. उसने क्या किया, क्योंकि पानी कम हो चुका था after fifth day, right? So they he just give a polythene sheet to them. Like polythene sheet कहाँ से आई है? As they give a message to the like who were provided the polythene sheet to them to make a shelter, and he also joined those people like who have lost their parents and the lady who have lost their family members. तो उसने उन सबको एक साथ ला करके इकट्ठा करके एक फैमिली तरीके से कम्युनिटी बना ली, right? He made a community of those people and give these sheets to make their shelter for them. Women were mobilized to look after them. यहाँ पर वो जो women थी उनको अरेंज किया, whoever the children have lost their parents, they will be taking care of those. मतलब सारे बच्चों को एक जगह इकट्ठा कर दिया, लेडीज को उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए बोल दिया, मीन्स टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दोज चिल्ड्रन, ओके? एंड द जेंट्स will provide them food, means they will help them to provide, they will go walk for distance and they will brought some food for them, right? In this way, as the week passed, इस तरह से किसी तरह वो वीक तो उनका पास हो जाता है. Then Prashant was quick to recognize that the women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. लेकिन अभी वो क्या रियलाइज करता है? What does he realize? That ये तो वर्क किया उसका जो एक आइडिया था, that he has given the community, means he has divided them like women were taking care of the children and the gents were were bringing some food for them, right? And the other needable things. But this time he was observing that these children and these ladies, means the women, were also sinking in grief, in deeper grief. Why? Because they have lost their family members. So this incident was not going from their mind, क्योंकि जो इंसिडेंट है वो उनके माइंड से निकल ही नहीं रहा था. So that is why this time Prashant has decided to utilize this time in a good opinion. What does he do? उसने क्या किया कि किसी तरह से इनके दुख को कम करना है, क्योंकि अगर ये लोग बिजी रहेंगे डेफिनेटली दे विल नॉट थिंक अबाउट देयर सॉरो, देयर लाइक पीपल हु दे हैव लॉस्ट. ओके, उनके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं सोचेंगे तो दुख भी कम हो जाएगा. बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट गेटिंग इवन टाइम फॉर दिस, लाइक हिज फैमिली मेम्बर ऑल्सो वर इंजर्ड. ओके, और बहुत ज़्यादा सफ़र किया है उसके फैमिली मेम्बर्स ने भी. He didn't realize that sadness, so he just tried to give a work to those people. उसने सोचा कि इनको कुछ वर्क दिया जाए. In this way they will like remove this sorrowness, this sadness will remove from them. Okay, so he organized with the help of some young volunteers. उसने कुछ volunteers को अपने साथ लिया जो बाकी के young man और boys थे वहाँ से, क्योंकि एक अकेला इंसान without any team can't do. एक टीम कुछ अलग रिजल्ट लेकर के आती है, राइट. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट टीम ही जस्ट मेक द ग्रुप ऑफ दिस मीन्स उसने वुमेन्स के लिए एक एनजीओ बनाया. एनजीओ का मतलब आप समझते हैं, नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट. तो उसने क्या किया यहाँ पर, लाइक ही हैज गिवन अ वर्क टू दोज लाइक वुमेन्स दैट दे विल लाइक दीज लेडी विल वर्क फॉर फूड प्रोग्राम, परज्यूम the women to start working on the food work program, कि वो खाना बनाएंगे NGOs में. एक ग्रुप बना करके उसमें वो खाना वगैरह उनको प्रोवाइड कराएंगी. बच्चों को जो मटेरियल वो लोग ला करके देंगे वो उससे खाना वगैरह खुद बनाएंगी अब, राइट. एंड इन दिस वे ऑल्सो ही जस्ट मेक अ प्लान क्रिकेट मैच फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, कि जब स्पोर्ट्स रहेगा यहाँ पर तो बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स में बिजी रहेंगे. एंड ही ऑल्सो लाइक मोस्ट प्ले क्रिकेट, और उसने क्रिकेट उसको भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. दैट इज वाई ही ऑल्सो अरेंज अ क्रिकेट मैच फॉर दोज चिल्ड्रन. सो इन दिस वे चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो बिकेम बिजी इन प्लेइंग, ओके, एंड एंजॉइंग द क्रिकेट टीम्स. सो दे ऑल्सो फॉरगॉट देयर सॉरोज, एंड द लेडी वर ऑल्सो बिजी मेकिंग द फूड एंड प्रोवाइडिंग द अदर थिंग्स टू द केयर टू द चिल्ड्रन, राइट. छोड़ दीजिए, रहने दीजिए इसको. You learn from this